Install the magnets based on the baseboard with 2 BB screws. Note: ensure that the absorption surface of the magnet base faces forward to adsorb and fix the 2 doors, which will be installed later. Align the holes on the side of the 2 frames and the holes on the side of the baseboard. Assemble the frames and the baseboard together with 4AA screws. Note: there is a LR sticker on the left right frame. Ensure that the right frame is assembled on the side, near the nesting hole of the baseboard. Install the backbod between the left and right frames with 4AA screws. Install the casters with brakes under the bottom of the baseboard and adjust the height of the casters with the HH wrench. Install the casters without breaking under the bottom of the baseboard and adjust the height of the casters with the HH wrench. Note: for easy movement, be sure to install the same type of casters on the same side of the baseboard. Install the beam between the 2 frames with 4AA screws. Note: ensure that the absorption surface of the magnet base faces forward to adsorb and fix the 2 doors, which will be installed later. Put 2 CC screws in the corresponding positions on the beam, and put 2 DD screws in the corresponding positions on the baseboard, and tighten the DD screws for use when installing doors later. The protective accessories should be removed from the grilled body before installation. Note: the removed screws may be needed in the following steps. Install the grilled body on the 2 frames with 4AA screws. Note: before installing the grilled body, it is necessary to pass the ignition needle and the hose through the right frame. Note: there is a nameplate attached to the left door. Insert the previously fixed DD screws into the hole at the bottom of the doors, and then adjust the CC screw into the hole at the top of the doors. You can adjust the height of the casters with the HH wrench if the 2 doors don't line up. Install the door handles to the doors with 4 GG spacers and 4E screws. Pre-attach 2AA screws to the left front panel. Do not tighten. Then assemble the left table and left front panel together and tighten the screws. Pre-attach 2AA screws to the right front panel. Do not tighten. Then assemble the right burner table and right front panel together and tighten the screws. Pre-attach 8 AA screws respectively to the left and right sides of the grilling body. Note: do not tighten the screws for following use. Align the left table with the 4 pre-attached AA screws on the left side of the grill body. Fix the left front panel to the left side of the grilled body with 2 AA screws. Fix the left table to the left side of the grilling body with 2 AA screws screwing from inside the grilling body. After adjustment, tighten the 4 pre-attached AA screws on the left side of the grilling body to completely fix the left table and the left front panel together with the grilling body. Align the right burner table with the 4 pre-attached AA screws on the right side of the grilled body. Fix the right front panel to the right side of the grilled body with 2 AA screws. Fix the right burner table to the right side of the grilling body with 2 AA screws screwing from inside the grilling body. After adjustment, tighten the 4 pre-attached AA screws on the right side of the grilling body to completely fix the right burner table and the right front panel together with the grilling body. Pre-attach ABB screw to the left hole near the bellows side on the valve of the hose. Do not tighten. Align the knob base with the big hole of the right front panel from the front. Stick the valve out from the back of the right front panel. Make sure that the pre-attached BB screw is aligned with the small semicircular holes, both on the left of the right front panel and the knob base. Then pass 1 BB screw through the small round holes, both on the right of the right front panel and the knob base, and tighten the 2 BB screws to fix the valve and knob base together. Align knob with the valve and insert into valve. Insert the side burner into the middle of the right burner table from the top down. Put the tail of the side burner over the valve of the hose. Then fix the side burner to the right burner table with 2BB screws from below. Place the ignition needle through the round hole on the right burner table as shown in the picture from the bottom up. Then adjust the direction and place a AFF screw through the other round hole to fix the ignition needle to the right burner table. Fix the top of the bottle opener to the left side of the grilled body with one FF screw. Insert one FF screw through the firing rod and fix the firing rod to the bottom of the bottle opener. Remove the 2AA screws and 2 adiabatic spacers pre-installed on the lid handle. Then install the lid handle and adiabatic spacers on the grill body with the 2AA screws from the inside of the grill body. Install the temperature dial on the top of the grill body with the spacer and the butterfly screw, included in the temperature dial kit. Install the fire spreaders in place, noting that each fire spreader must be placed in the specified slot. Install the cooking grill on the specified steps. Insert the insulated rack into the specified holes on both sides of the grilled body. Insert the burner rack into the specified holes on the right burner table. Open the 2 doors and place the gas tank into the nesting notch of the baseboard. Connect and tighten the regulator valve of the hose to the threaded valve of the tank to ensure that there is no methane leakage. Clockwise, tighten the butterfly screw on the back of the baseboard to secure the gas tank in place. Screw the ignition button on the front of the grill body out. Then insert the battery into the round hole and screw the ignition button in. Note: the plus pole faces outward and the pole faces inward. Note: to ignite the burners, hold down and turn the gas control knob anti-clockwise first to ensure that the gas in the tank is released. Then press the ignition button for 3 to 4 seconds. Note: the flame can be observed through the round hole on the side of the grilled body. Insert the oil receiver box along the guide rail of the oil receiver tray.